Okay, exercise 1. Given the following network, determine the first activity to be crashed by the following priority rules. So part A, shortest task first. So as you can see here, we have one A, B, C, D, 4 tasks, and the duration of each task is given by this 4, 3, 5, 7. So the shortest task activity is activity B. So the answer for part A is activity B. For B is the minimum slack first. So we need to find the activity with the minimum slack. So we can draw the network, or alternatively we can also determine the possible path, as it's a very simple network. So one of the path is AD, and the other path is BCD. So length of this path AD is 9, because 4 plus 5 is 9, and the length of path BCD is 3, 7, 5. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So now it will be clear that each of the activity B, C, D will have a 0 slack, and A and D will have higher slacks. That means 6. Activity, especially the activity A, will have a slack of 6, because all activities on the critical path will have 0 slack. So for the minimum slack first, which will mean that we will choose activities B, C, and D. So the answers are B, C, and D if it is based on the minimum slack first. And the most critical followers, that means we will see each of those activities. Activity A has one activity as the critical activity, which is following, whereas activity B has C and D as the following activities. So B follows C, and then C follows D. So B has 2 activities, and similarly C has D as the following activity. So as you can see that activity B has 2 activities which are critical and which is being followed by B. So the answer for this is also B. And the most successor activities, so it's the same as for the critical followers, but the only thing is that we consider both the critical and non-critical activities. So in this case, again, A has 1, C has 1, but B has 1, 2. So most successor activities are also for B.